Yo guys, welcome back. It is raining outside. Yeah, it just started raining actually, right when I delivered Starbucks and I went outside the apartment complex. It started raining. But yeah, this delivery was a little bit confusing because my customer told me, so he lives in an apartment, but you know, instead of like me dialing the buzzer code, um finding his apartment room, or instead of him even meeting me at the lobby, it just said leave the order at the lobby. So like where the lobby entrance is, it said just leave it at the lobby and then he'll come pick it up or whatever. But I still made sure, so I dropped it off at the lobby outside building 3000 where I currently am. I just sent him a message saying hi, I arrived, I left it right by the intercom. It's inside, the entrance lobby area. And yeah, he said thanks and then he picked it up. But yeah, that's good. So he at least got his order. Okay. Yeah, these orders I did were really good. Both of them were, well, the other one was $11. This one was $10. So I already made $20 so far. Or like $21 I made. But yeah, that's good. Now I'm just gonna go. Man, I hate when my car always interrupts me when I'm about to say something. It's like, continuous recording from now to start. I'm like, shut the fuck up. But yeah, as I was saying, so yeah, I completed those orders, so I'm heading back home now. I'm going to have some lunch. Ah, fuck. I don't know where to... Okay, yeah, I know where I'm going. I don't think this vlog is going to be long. Just because I'm already like not far from home, I'm in Wolf Willow. I mean, this vlog might get to 7 or 8 minutes, I'm guessing, but I don't really know. Maybe. Okay, I turned the wipers off for now because the rain is a bit light. But I might still just manually use them, Not automatically, but manually. If it starts pouring heavier, I'll just turn it on, like, automatically. Okay, I can go. There's no cars. But yeah. I'm getting a little bit hungry. I think my mom might have made, like, chicken soup for lunch. So I'll have that when I come back. Then I'll make myself a cup of tea. But yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty happy, guys. I'm pretty happy. These orders I did were definitely good today. Didn't really do a lot today, but it's still early. It's 12:22 p.m. There's plenty of time to do more. But yeah. Yeah, I'm basically in my neighborhood now, pretty much. I just have to make a left turn. So I have to wait for, the green arrow so I can go. Yeah, I get paid, like, probably, like, by tomorrow. Because I used to get paid, like, my payday was always on Monday, but I don't know. Used to always be on Monday. Now it's like, I don't fucking know why. It's really weird, but they pay me on Tuesdays now. They pay me on fucking Tuesdays. Sometimes at like 4 p.m. or like 4:30 p.m. Sometimes like 10 a.m. they actually pay me. But yeah, so I made like $325 for the whole week, so I should be getting paid like probably tomorrow. But I don't even know. Well, then of course my fucking bullshit ass car insurance I have to pay. Like, fuck that. But it's okay because I still made a lot of money in general. There's definitely a lot of money I get to keep for myself. But of course I have to fucking pay car insurance and shit. It's fucking pathetic. You have to spend a lot of money on your car, you know. A lot of fucking stupid shit. I mean, car gas should actually last me for like the next couple of days, because I have like 213 kilometer range. But I don't know, I usually like spend like $90 on car gas for like a full refill. So yeah. But yeah. Oh shit, I just saw lightning. Huh. Holy fuck. Yeah, I just saw lightning. That's fucking crazy. It's, yeah, probably gonna be pouring rain. I was gonna clean bird shit because some bird took a shit on my car, but it started raining and I had washed it off. So yeah. Alright, well, I'm home, so thanks for watching, guys. I know this vlog wasn't really long, but because I happen to be not far away. And yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day. Maybe I'll make another vlog today. I know Monday I already made a shit ton of videos. A lot of them were uploaded from last week. But I might still make a vlog. I don't know, but thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, bye.